Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall skilla. Blessed be people, Dancehall skilla there again. Manners and respect to each and everyone. I'm going to present some videos to you that have been posted on social media. But I want to make it very clear, viewers and subscribers, that I am not able to confirm if anything that anyone said in any of these videos about any situation are accurate pertaining to whatsoever they were talking about. No. You see what I say? I'm only going by some things that I saw in these videos and words that me said in these videos. Anyways, first up, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a motor vehicle that somehow went off road and the motor vehicle also overturned and ended up on its stop. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm how that motor vehicle ended up in such a position. You see, if some words that a person said in this video are accurate, then OMG. Notice I said if. The video also shows the motor vehicle that went off the road and somehow overturned and on its stop at a spot that some people might call a gully. My people, tell me what you think about this type of situation. And viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
This man same night gully from last night. See van over in a gully, right out of Alaska. Turn over in a gully. See? From last night, him in a vehicle down there.
If some words that a person said in this video are accurate, then OMG. Notice I said if. I don't have any confirmed information as to how the motor vehicle ended up in such a position, now how long the motor vehicle might have been in that position, and so on. You see me, I said didn't get any information determined about any injury or anything like that either. The next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, raises concerns. I mean, when we look at the video, we start think about a person's health. When we see that the video and so forth. My people, this video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a person who was laying down at a certain roadway, and the person's head, or we could say the person's face, was at a spot where water drained. You see what people? So I wonder what could have really and truly caused the person to end up in such a position. What might have caused the person to end up laying down at a spot like that, viewers and subscribers? I mean, even food was close by to where the person was laying down and all them things there. So I start to wonder certain things. Some people, look at this video, tell me what you think about the situation. Oh, at least two persons saw the person laying down at that spot, viewers and subscribers. I didn't get any confirmed information to determine where the video be recorded. And the whole situation I've been thinking. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, people.
Bro. Hey, you alive? Boom. Hey, you alive, boy? Good day, boy. You alive, boy? And it's Christmas season. It's alive? You alive? You good? You don't fall long? That way. Oh, you was eating. When I go past and go to the Hi, Polam is you, boy. Boy, get up on there, boy. Polam. Boy, get up, boy. Boy, get up, boy. Get up, boy. Get up, get up, get up. Come, shut up, get up, get up. Come, Polam, get up, get up. Get lie down in the sun, boy. Get up, boy. Come, boy. Get up, boy. What do you mean where the cut up all this skin? Yeah, watch your shoulder, get up, get up. Sit down, come out on the road. Sit down on the wall, sit down on the wall. Sit down back there and lean up. Sit down on the wall, sit down on the wall. Sit down, sit down. Take that time. Alright. Yes, you don't go to bed. Yes, they go to bed. Today is the first day at the Bracken next 365. You want to know where they're going? Who you come here with that girl? Who you was here with? You just sit down, teach your soup? Are your soup there? Are yours? Yeah. So you going and finish eat that? No. Where are you going? Home is where? Yeah, we going up the road. Shout yourself. Nice modern thing, man. Lay it out right there, lay it out there. His skin full of mud.
Hey, don't go back and sleep then. Don't go back and sleep then.
Hold on, Paul, you know the first now?
No, the first time I do this boy.
Serious?
No, I tell you, this never be me.
You take too much.
Yeah.
You take too much.
Yeah, because you can see fall on your shoulder there, when your shoulder there, like fall down.
Me hear what the person said, and me not jump to no conclusion, my people. Me not jump to no conclusion. You see, man, I have an idea as to what might have caused the person to end up laying down like that. You see me, I say, but me not jump to no conclusion. But that raises concerns right there. So that look away right there, some people. Eh? Look what the person head or the person face they there. Look what the person they lay down. Blessed to I should say, I said blessed to caring people, I should say. People who care. Are people who, you know, try to do good to others. Blessed. Blessed. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. I'm going to present pieces of videos to you that's going to show at least one person who had been taken to get medical attention, or the person had been taken to get her health checked. Now, my people, I didn't get any confirmed information as to what caused the person to end up being taken to get the person's health checked. You understand me? But in at least one of these pieces of videos, I hear a person say some words that have me thinking about the situation and so forth. Because if some words that the person said in at least one of these pieces of videos are true, then OMG. In my point of view, the person is a big woman of a good age. You see me I say? I mean, police was even at the location when certain things happened. You understand? I mean, a certain amount of persons even lift or assisted the person. See, I tell you, it's set away. Anyways, my people, please bear in mind that I am not able to confirm if any words that have been said by anyone in any of these videos are accurate or even true pertaining to the person who had been taken to get her health checked or medical assistance. Yes, I'm asking my people. No, I'm not able to confirm if any words said in any of these pieces of videos are accurate or even true. But look and listen to them. You can let me know what you think. Oh, and please bear in mind that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
And the woman fight for
Oh yeah? Queen Street, Charlotte. Some bandits now try to rob two old women. Show down the poor woman and break her foot. She not from here. And look what she had to go to when she visited Port Trinidad. Two hungry little boys from down on that side rob the poor little woman and break her hip and her foot. And the ambulance cannot reach her hour now. Great as the PNM. Great as the PNM all here. The police can't help she because they can't move she. Oh. All of them is waste of time. They ain't doing nothing good for the people. Poor woman.
They say they're on Charlotte shit.
Alright, my people. I'm going to present the other video to you. Observe.
What's her name?
Hey, all the incident now try to kill Tyson too? Just now there? Yeah, no, he now went to sang in the station and they make a scene. They make a swing on him just now. That I all the shots was about just now. I'm telling you.
Right now, you don't move, right? Alright, yeah, I know. You don't move. So here this here,
Nah, she's on it. She can handle it. Hey, 5-star, show them now. What she have? What the cloth? Get a cloth on my wipe. What shoes? Alright. Wait. Alright.
you see her right leg? You help bring that leg as much as possible.
Sorry, baby.
Put on the here to the lower part, right? Nah.
No.
Wait. You gotta put on this side. You gotta hold on the here. Right? No water.
Take a deep breath. In
And out. In. Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Deep breath. In, out. In.
Oh God, she go and pass out. She face, what she face?
Breathe out. That's enough. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Right, Dr. Patricia, tell them.
Breathe out, please.
Go ahead. This one, is she hip? She hip. She have a little tail like a man. I come in. I'ma just get his speech here. Dead man. All.
In. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Don't study them. Breathe in. Out.
Don't watch.
In. Out. Don't study
In.
the pain. In.
Out.
Breathe in.
Go, go, go.
Nice.
Right, one. Right, I said it earlier. The PNM earlier, that's what I said.
My people, even though I don't have certain confirmed information about that situation, the situation look away. Based on certain words when I see or hear in those pieces of videos, the situation look away, my people. We just hope for the best for at least one person who I saw in those pieces of videos who had been taken to get the person's health checked out and so I tell the John, it's set that way. So let me know what you think about all those videos that I presented to you in this video. You know, they have been brought to my attention, so I'm going to present them to you and talk about them, basically, in my point of view. So let me know what you think. I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and everyone. Big up to all of my people right through the Caribbean and the world. Is a me I say. I tell you. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, man, you know where you watch. Dancehall Skilla.